Hi there, I will show you how to handle enter button in Android using Android Studio and Kotlin language. First, open your Android Studio and create new project. In here, I choose empty activity and click next. First, you can give the name of application what you want. For example, handle enter button here, and then click finish. Wait until your workspace is fully loaded. After your project fully loaded, you can go to activity main.xml, and you can see here that there is a text view. You can delete this, and I will using edit text in here and then drag in my design. Okay, then I choose text here and change text properties to hint and change the values to input here. Go to main activity and we will create function to handle our enter. Find my enter. Edit text for main layout. The set on key listener. Okay, you must be carefully that is set on key listener, not send on click listener. Using view, the on key listener. V key code even if key code equal to key even dot key code underscore enter. This is for enter button, and even dot action equal to key even dot action up. Because this is a boolean values, you can return on key listener to true. Then for else or false, you can add here. For example, in here we will create those dot make text using this activity. Hi there, and we can enter this using \n to create new line. This is a enter even button. We are using those the length long, and for last we can show. Now This is for our enter. We need to declare our edit text file or values for my edit text here. For even click, set on OK. Before we use set on click listener, we must declare file my edit text, fin view by ID, and this is edit text, and you can find your name of your edit text here, r the id edit text. Now you can create my edit text set on click listener. This is for function my enter. Okay, my enter is reversed to this function. So when my edit text enter, it will show these tools. Run this application. Okay, we can type anything here, for example, and then we click this enter button. Hi there, this is an enter even button. For example, I'm using my keyboard computer and then hit enter. You can see this. I'm sorry, this is because backslash, not slash. We can change to create new line. Now we can click here. Hi there, this is enter even button. You can see there. Okay, in the next tutorial, we will show you how to hit this keyboard when we type in here and then hit enter. So this keyboard is not deter our view in application. Thanks for watching and bye bye.